Today we are going to continue our lesson, the power sharing. As we have studied yesterday, how power is shared between different groups. Here, power sharing, we will divide this in two according to the region. First is the prudential region, second is the moral region. These two regions, this is the important part for your study. The prudential region reduce the conflict. It means when power is coming, there is a good chance, a very great chance that two groups will have conflict to take over the power. But such as in our country, we have prudential region, and here it is stopping us to do the reduce of conflict. It is reducing the conflict among the common people. Next is prevent overstepping. When there is a majority, and majority always try to overtake the states, but this prudential region stop it overtaking the authority in their hand and avoid, what is the avoid overtake the power, means no one can misuse the power they have got in their hand. And here is the moral reason, citizen participation. Here in moral reason, we are also following citizen participation in this formation of the government, and citizens have some power in their hand. Make power sharing essential, and it is telling that it has the scope to participate citizens in the government, and power sharing is essential among the different groups of the people. Benefit group. Here, on one you will find that how power is divided. What is the benefit group? Another is the pressure group, organs of the government, and participation of the parties. What is the first? We are going to discuss about the political parties. You know that in democracy, political parties play an important role for the formation of the government. In our country, many parties are there. Two types of parties you have studied. One is the national party, another is the local party, or you can say that state level party, such as BJP, Congress, CPI, CPIM. These are national party, and JMM, JDU, RJD, like this, they are the regional parties. They have their influence in the region, but power is not a permanent thing for any party. Earlier, from 2004 to 2014, Congress was in the power in our country. From 2014 to still continue, BJP is in the power. On the same way, political parties in the state level or regional parties are having their importance, showing their importance in different states, such as in Bihar, JDU, in your state, JMM, like this, these regional parties, Odisha, BJD. BJD is there in power from 20 years, and 20 years such country completed, and 25th means fifth term for BJD is going on. And these political parties are having power in their hand. Benefit groups. Benefit groups for BJP, example, you will find that APVP, अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद. This is Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad. This is the beneficial group of BJP. This organization is getting much benefit from the BJP. Many leaders are emerging from ABVP and becoming the ministers and taking other authority in their hand. Next is the pressure group. For BJP, RSS is the pressure group. It is giving pressure to the government on so that they can modify their thoughts, they can change their ideas according to their benefit. And governments, we have three organs in the government. Legislative, they have their different powers, executive have their different powers, and judiciary have their different powers. These organs of the government you have studied detail and still studying continuously from class 5 to still now. This is one is the horizontal power, another is the vertical power. Horizontal, you know that this is the horizontal, means parallel to the earth. This is known as horizontal, means no one is upper and no one is lower. All have the equal rights, such as in parliament, in our government system, legislative, executive and judiciary, they are coming in horizontal system. And in vertical you know that central government at the upper hand. Vertical, you know that means like this. This is show here central government, union, state and your local. Means this is the most valuable. This is they have the more power, less power and least power. Their influence in whole of the country, influence in the state and local bodies having the less power. This is vertical and that was the horizontal. These are the some main points of your study. But as you know that we are only giving you important points. It is not possible to discuss on a large scale before the camera. So you have to learn this and read this from your book. Now I am going to give you some assignment.